Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning appliances, taking a look at two heavyweights in the steam cleaning arena, the H2O MOP X5 and the Waitbird Steam Cleaner. Let's start with the price. The H2O MOP X5 is priced at $169, while the Waitbird comes in at a more budget-friendly $139. Many reviewers of the H2O MOP X5 appreciate its versatility and ease of use, making it great for deep cleaning and everyday tasks. However, some have noted concerns about its build quality and performance on certain surfaces. On the other hand, Waitbird users rave about its effectiveness, especially on tough stains and various surfaces. The consensus seems to be that you get good value with the Waitbird for a lower price. Next, we're diving into versatility. The H2O MOP X5 is marketed as a 5-in-1 cleaning machine, praised by many for its multiple uses. Reviewers highlight its effectiveness in various cleaning scenarios, although some question the need for all those attachments. In contrast, the Waitbird comes with a whopping 21 accessories, making it a favorite for users who want to tackle different cleaning tasks. Reviewers have found it easy to use for everything from crayon marks to stainless steel appliances, making it a versatile option as well. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The H2O MOP X5 boasts 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power, with mixed reviews on its effectiveness on tile and grout. While some users find it functional, others express disappointment in its performance. The Waitbird, however, heats up quickly and reaches impressive steam temperatures, with many reviewers noting its powerful steam easily tackles grime and tough stains. The Waitbird seems to be the go-to for those looking for powerful cleaning capabilities. Let's talk ease of use. The H2O MOP X5 features a handheld mode, making it easier for multitasking users. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design, but have noted concerns about its durability. Meanwhile, the Waitbird offers a built-in child safety lock, ensuring safe operation, especially in families. Users have praised its lightweight nature and maneuverability, making it easy to handle during cleaning tasks. Overall, both products have their strengths, but the Waitbird seems to edge out in user-friendliness. In summary, the H2O MOP X5 is a versatile choice favored by those looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution, while the Waitbird Steam Cleaner is celebrated for its powerful steam and extensive accessories, making it a great value option. Both have their pros and cons, but user experiences lean towards the Waitbird for its effectiveness and ease of use. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.